Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. The Minimal Phone is a fascinating attempt to blend nostalgia with modern utility. It's essentially a reimagining of the BlackBerry era, but with an e-ink twist aimed at reducing smartphone addiction. Curious? Please watch until the end. Design and display. The 4.3-inch e-ink panel, with a 4:3 aspect ratio, is designed to minimize distractions while still being fully functional for calls, messaging, and light app usage. Unlike touchscreen-only minimalist phones, the Minimal Phone includes a tactile keyboard, bringing back the classic typing experience. The grayscale display is meant to encourage less screen time, reducing the temptation of endless scrolling and mindless social media browsing. The smaller screen and keyboard make for a unique, old-school design that stands out from the usual smartphone lineup. Software and functionality. Unlike many minimalist phones that use proprietary OSes with limited app support, this device runs a complete version of Android 14. That means you can install any app from the Play Store. Works with Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T, so it's not limited in connectivity. Instead of on-screen navigation, it features 3 physical buttons below the display, reminiscent of older Android and BlackBerry devices. Performance and hardware. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G99, a mid-range octa-core chip that balances power efficiency and performance. Comes in 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, also 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage configurations, offering enough memory and storage for everyday tasks. Includes a micro SD card slot, a rare feature in modern smartphones. Equipped with dual SIM support and a fingerprint sensor. Battery life and extras. Although the battery capacity is only 3,000 mAh, thanks to the ultra-low power e-ink screen, battery life is claimed to last several days on a single charge. A 16-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera, which is rare for an e-ink phone. Also equipped with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Comes in white, black, and a dual-tone black-white combination. Price and availability. Starting price at $399. Pre-order price with a $100 discount from the original $499. The phone is now shipping worldwide. The Minimal Phone is an intriguing blend of retro design and modern tech, designed for a niche audience that values focus, simplicity, and longevity over flashy features. Would you like to use a phone like this? Please share your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.